Today I will show you how to install the Mack metal planks. The Mack planks offer an infinite number of design possibilities. In this case, we decided to go with 6-foot planks installed 8 inches apart. They are sold in minimum quantities of 14 and are 12 feet long. Depending on the number of cuts needed for your design, make sure to order the necessary quantities of fastening brackets and caps sold separately. Fixing kits come in packs of 10 or individually. Please note that the planks can be installed over Mack siding or any other siding. Depending on the siding, make sure you have a screw-in base. Before proceeding with the installation, it is essential to prepare the planks properly. Planks are sold at a 12-foot length. Depending on your chosen design, they can be cut to any length with a minimum of 3 feet. In our case, we decided to cut them to 6 feet. To install the brackets, please respect a maximum distance of 5 feet. Also, please respect a maximum distance of 18 inches from the edge of the plank. In our case, the chosen distance is 8 inches and 3/4. First step, mark the measurement where your bracket will be installed. Use the provided template to drill your first guiding holes. Before enlarging the holes to 9/16 of an inch, use a piece of wood to protect the plank. Secure the rivet nuts in place with a pneumatic or hand riveter. Secure the bracket with the supplied 1/2-inch bolts. Use a square to ensure alignment. Then, insert the cap at the end of the plank. Repeat these steps for all brackets. When installing the planks, use a laser level to guide the height of the plank. Use another level to ensure that the plank is straight. Once you've determined the desired distance between each plank, repeat these steps for the rest of the installation.